at the wrong place at the right time. Cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's.
Hello guys, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. Gorgeous, you're welcome. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for tuning in. So in here I review wigs. So the wig I'll be revealing today is from Luvme Hair. Yeah, so this is it. It came in this cute box you're seeing right here. This is how it came packaged. You guys know, if it's your first time, maybe you don't know this, but if it's not your first time, if you're an OG, you know that I always review hair from Luvme Hair. Yeah, I love their hair. I love the quality of their hair. I like the texture. I like everything about their hair. And the one I'll be revealing today is not left out. It's glueless wig, 4x4 lace wig, and it's loose wave. To be precise, the hair is big loose wave glueless 4x4 closure wig. So gorgeous, before we even start, if you love it here, if you like it here, why not hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. With all that being said, let's head into the unboxing of this wig. So I'm going to remove this. So this is it in here. You can see this. So there are some goodies inside. Inside the box there's this dust bag. See that you can store your wig, okay, after use. You see this bag here, Luvme Hair. There are some things inside. I have earrings, okay, and I have edge brush, and there is a hair band. Ooh, there with my dress, with my top. Let's look at this. So those are the goodies that came with the hair. No more other thing. Okay, also there is a wig cap that came with it. This is two pairs. So guys, this is the hair. You see there's a net on it. Let's remove this. Look at this. This is so lovely, so lovely. You don't need to do much with this. See this? Look at the lace, and it's C-part already designed for you. So you just need to wear this, cut the lace, the excess lace from it, and that is all. And inside the wig, see there are combs that came with it, about 4 combs. Then there is inbuilt strap, then there is adjustable inbuilt strap. So this will enable you to hold the wig firmly to your head. Okay, look at the inside. See this? This is lovely. So we don't need to do much. We don't need to do much. Guys, there's also a lace at the back. See this short lace at the back. So guys, this is it on. You see the part. So I'm going to cut the excess lace. Apply one stick. Take the hair. I want it to go back little. To define the part. cut the excess lace from it. Is glueless, so I'm going to use little gel.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go.
So because I want this part to be flat, that's why I am adding little gel. You see, it's glueless. Okay, let's remove this and see.
I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah.
I'll use a powder like this to open my part. Then blend the front. You see here, since it's glueless, you don't need to do any other thing. I will just use that to open the part. See that? Let me zoom.
There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river.
So I will trim all these ones that are too long.
Down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know, but you don't know. No words, no more, no. I got so high on a hill. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know, but you don't know. No words, no more, we don't know. No words, no more, we don't know. No words, no more, we don't know. No words, no more, no, no. We don't know. No words, no more, we don't know. No words, no more, we don't know. No words, no more, no, no. Yeah. I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. With you, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over.
So I will leave the details on the description box. If you're interested, you can check that out. The hair is so gorgeous. You don't need to do anything. It's glueless. You just pop this on and you're good to go. And I'll check if there's any discount code. I'll definitely leave it on the description box. You guys know how we do it. So that is it. Don't forget, the hair is from Love Me Hair and is big loose a glueless 4x4 lace wig. Okay, all right, gorgeous. Please, before you go, if you like it here, why not hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon, and I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Ciao.
Rockstar playing songs on my guitar. I know